Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the V1 and your computer. Power the flash to at least half charge. Low battery aborts updates. Connect the V1 to your computer with the original USB-C cable and wait for the device to register. Once connected, open the firmware folder you downloaded. Make sure the file matches your V1 model. You do this now so the update utility sees the device and the correct firmware immediately, avoiding wasted steps later. You now run the official updater program and give it permission to access USB devices. Once the app detects your V1, select it from the device list and load the firmware file you downloaded. Click Update or Flash and confirm any prompts. This writes the new code to the unit. Keep the computer awake and do not disconnect the cable while the progress bar moves, because interrupted flashing can brick the flash. Watch the on-screen log for errors and successful completion messages. Once the updater reports success, restart the V1 to let new firmware initialize. You should immediately check the version number in the flash menu to confirm the update applied. Then test core functions, TTL metering, high-speed sync, and recycle timing to ensure normal behavior. If anything looks wrong, do not keep trying random changes. Instead, try a clean redo. Use a different USB port or another computer and repeat the flash. If it still fails, one key troubleshooting tip is to retry with a fully charged battery and an alternate cable to rule out power or cable faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.